Welcome to Top Cars Review.
What is it? With the first generation A8 launched as recently as 1994, Audi is the last of the German luxury trio to enter the large luxury sedan race. But this isn't to say the A8 trails the rest. In fact, various generations of the A8 have introduced many segment-first technologies and, this time around, Audi claims the fourth generation is the future of the luxury class. To back that up, it has made this the first production automobile in the world with Level 3 conditional automated driving. Level 3 allows the driver to take their eyes off the road and focus on other stuff like the phone. The A8s also got some pretty nifty tech too, like a buttonless console, the option of a relaxation seat with foot and back massage functions, Audi's artificial intelligence, AI, with an active suspension, and remote parking via a smartphone. As was always the case, the fourth generation, D5, A8 also uses the Audi space frame concept built on the MLB Evo platform. The body employs more types of materials than any Audi production model before. 58% is aluminium complemented by hot-formed steel, carbon fiber reinforced polymer, and magnesium. And keeping them all together are 14 different joining methods, from bolts to welding to gluing. The result is a body that's 24% more rigid than its predecessor.